G'day, it's Christine here from Chris W Designs, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Boot Gift Bag. Now the Boot Gift Bag comes in 3 sizes. All 3 sizes are included with the pattern. You have a large, which is this one, a medium, yes, they all nest together, see, and there's the little one down in there, but this one is the large and this one is the medium, and inside there is the little itty bitty baby one. They close with a magnetic snap, and they have these little handles on the side. I use ribbon for the handles because I think that's appropriate for a gift bag. But you can use webbing or whatever you prefer. The Boot Gift Bag also would make up great in baby fabrics if you wanted to give it to a newborn baby or for a baby shower or something like that. The little size is great for filling with chocolates and goodies like that. These are all properly lined so that they look nice and neat. All 3 sizes are included with your pattern. I include all the pattern pieces, both shaped and rectangular. Plus I also include cutting measurements if you prefer to cut with a rotary cutter. There's a projector file if you'd like to use that. There are SVG files for those of you with a cutting machine who prefer to cut with one of those. I've used foam in their construction so that they stand up nice and proud even when they're empty. As always, I couldn't do this job without my testers, so a great big huge thank you goes out to all my testers and proofreaders for helping me hone in on the perfect pattern. like the look of the boot bag, you can pop across to www.chriswdesigns.com, where you'll find the pattern in USD. And if you're an Aussie and you'd like to purchase in AUD, you can pop along to www.chriswdesigns.com.au, and you'll also find a heap of my other patterns there as well. Please do subscribe to my newsletter, because that's a great way to get a discount and be the first to know when there is a new release. And you'll find that on my website, both the Aussie one and the international one. So if you like the look of the boot gift bag, pop across, grab your pattern. The link to the video tutorial is included within the pattern, and let's get sewing. If you like this video, hit the like button. Catch you later.